Hello engineers, welcome to Immerse Electrical Engineering, and today we are here to take you through how to do the automatic water pump or the flow switch. So we have here our flow switch, our breaker, our contactor and overload relay, and we have here our lamp indicator. So my sister here is going to take us through the process.
Okay, thank you very much. So for the tutorial for our water float, I also have here my cables, and then I have here my screwdriver. Okay, so this is our breaker, as our sister said earlier. And see here, I'm going to connect the light to the lamp, to the light here. Okay, and I'll connect the neutral to the neutral here also. So I'll unscrew it, and then I'll tight it again. So I'm done with the connection of the breaker.
Yeah.
So now here, what you are going to do is that we are going to bring the live cable from the breaker to our contactor, the indicator, the L1 here. And then I'll add the flow switch, the common or the black cable in the flow switch, together with the live here. So remember, it's going to the L1, which is the live. Okay, so the next one I'm going to do is I'm bringing the neutral to the L3 of the contactor. So with the neutral, I'll have to loop it. So when I insert this one, I'll terminate it with this small cable to A2 of the contactor. Okay, so the A2 is down here. So I'm done with this connection, and the next one I'm going to do is I'm going to bring this one, the blue line of the flow switch, to the our overload relay, the 95 of the relay. So this, and then with my indicator lamp, I'll give the live one to the T1 of the overload relay. and then I'll give the neutral to the T3 of the overload relay. Now it's left with our live cable. So this cable, I'm going to bring it to the 96 of the overload relay.
Go.
And then down here to the contactor, to the A1 of the contactor. Remember, it's coming to the A1 of the contactor. So guys, I'm done with my automatic water pump. So now it's time for testing. So viewers, we are done with our automatic water pump connection, and as you can see, we have our indicators here, and the green light on indicate that your water is full, but immediately it switches to the red light, and it means your water has decreased, so it will just automatically switch itself. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Immerse Electrical Engineering. Follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and many more.
Yeah.